Hello everyone. Today I just want to show you how to code using BimmerCode, how to code the tail lights as signal lights. So as I said, we open up BimmerCode. Let me just share the screen. So we open up BimmerCode, connect to the car. And by the way, I'm doing this on my BMW 3 Series F34. So we just connected to the car now. I'm using an V-Gate iPro OBD. It's taking some time now. Yeah, so once you're connected to BimmerCode, just go into rear electronic module, open rear electronic module. And then we're gonna have to go into expert mode. There are a few to code. It's taking some time to load up the module. Shouldn't be long now. Yeah, so as I said, on rear electronic module, we're just gonna go into expert mode, and to be more easy, we're just gonna search, and we have to search mapping underscore TAG FA H RL and underscore H2 underscore L. And now we're looking for L output, and yeah, it is right here, output, and it is already on SL2. It should be on the first one. Okay, then we're gonna have to go into function. Function is tag lead, and function, where is it? H2L function. Yeah, function, and we're just gonna put a custom value, which is 06 06, and then go back, and then we have to go into priority. Let's find priority, and it should be priority 1. Okay, then we're gonna have to go into, so as I said, it's left side, and now just go back on the search once and pull R from right. So first we're gonna go into, again, mapping tag FA edge RL. We're gonna go in output is SL2R, that's correct. Then we're gonna go into function. It should be 07 as a custom value. Go back, and then on priority is priority 1 already. Good. Okay, now let's go on to, so now on search, just go back and type the same one, only age underscore and L from left, and you're just gonna have to go into output. Output is already setted on the first one. Then on function is again custom value is 06, and then on priority is priority 1, already set it, so that's left. Now on the search, just delete L and add the R. So we go into output again. On my one is SL underscore R. Okay, then we're gonna go into function. So function custom value is 07, and then custom value on priority, it should be priority 1, is already set it on my car. Okay, then delete the search, the whole search, and add mapping underscore S T A N D L underscore age 1 underscore again L from left side, and you're gonna have to go into priority on this one. So it's H1 priority. It should be priority 3. It's already set it on my car. And then just going to delete L and put R right side. Again on right, we're gonna have to go H1 R priority 3 is already set it on my one. Okay, and then all you have to do, because this is one side, you have to delete H1 and add H2 underscore let's go on left side. Again, left side priority, so it's priority 4, it should be 4, and then delete L, add R right hand side priority is priority 4. Okay, now delete everything and okay, just press cancel and press on code, start coding. Okay, so this should be for the tail lights to blink, including the yellow lights as blinkers on the tail lights. Okay, now is coding. The coding of the controller complete successful. Okay, now there is a coding if you wanna delete the yellow lights. Again, on expert mode, rear electronic module on expert mode, just write on search mapping again underscore blinker underscore age underscore L from left, and just go on to level 1 is this one here on PWM underscore level underscore 1, and just go, you have to add a custom value as 00 on this one, and then go back and then delete L and add R again on R PWM underscore level underscore 1. Again, custom value, it should be 00. So 00, just press done. I don't want to do it on my one, but just for whoever wants to do, to delete the blinkers, the yellow lights. And now just press on code and that's it. It should be all settled. So as I said, I don't want to code this, so I'm just gonna go back and disconnect the app, disconnect it, and that's all. Okay guys, hopefully this is gonna be helpful for someone. So just let me know if anyone needs help or anything like this. Thanks a lot, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video.